Hello guys, it's me, Forum, and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. And those who are new, hello, Forum here. You're in FMA makeup tutorials. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I was wondering to do Deepika Padukone's Cannes Award makeup look today. I loved what she was wearing, the pink ruffle dress. I just don't understand why people compare and criticize her so much for her clothing. She is really nice and amazing. She is blessed with good looks, and what else do you want? Like, she was rocking even for Met Gala. I really loved her personally. Whatever you guys are comfortable in, you should wear that. Like, okay, fine, I know they are celebrities, they get judged and all that, but it's okay. Like, you don't have to judge them so much and criticize them. We should be thankful that from India there are two celebrities who are representing our country in Met Gala. That's really amazing and really beautiful that there are people from our country as well who go there and who has their presence rather than digging their clothes and all that every now and then. We have a better thing and better version to look at, and that's what we have to do. Anyways, a lot of talking and a lot of storytelling has taken up too much of time, so let's get into the video without wasting any further more time. So let's get started. So I have primed my face. Of course, we are doing high-end makeup, so we'll be using high-end foundation, MAC Mineralise Foundation in the shade NC37. Now we'll be going on the concealer, and for that we are going to use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC35. Moving on, it's time for some powdering, and for that I am going to use the Mercier powder. And now it's time for some contouring, and for that I am taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick in the shade of Earth. We are going to go straight to the eye makeup now. I'll zoom you in for that. And the first color for the transition which we are going to use is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. My god, what pigment this shadow has. I'm taking it a little bit higher than what my crease is because I'm following Deepika's makeup, and she has like opposite eyes than what I have. She's huge rounded eyes, and I have small almond shaped eye. Haunting from Swamp Queen, and I am going to place that right on the eyelid with my finger. And just to add a little bit more smoothness, I am going to go in Buon Fresco from Anastasia Beverly Hills again, and just fading this shade right. So I have this beautiful shade in Beauty Creations. It is like a little bit of glitterish pink color, and I am going to place even this on to just give it an extra pop of color and some dimension as well. Now it's time for black eyeshadow, and now for the black we are going to go in Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and the color which I am using is Black Truffle. And for this I want some extra precision, so I'm taking a tapered pointing pencil brush. So we'll just smudge this black. Now once this is done, we are going to go again in Love Letter and smudge the bottom lash line, clear all these fallouts. And now we'll fill in some Kohl pencil on the waterline, and also I'm going to tight line my upper lash line. And now some Studio Fix goes below your eye. Now moving on, we are going to the mascara, and we are going to apply a beautiful and a heavy coat of mascara to this, and a very beautiful eyelash as well. So our lashes are fixed, and now we are going to move on to some blush, contour and highlight. For that I'm going to use the Cheekathon palette from Benefit. So I'm using Hoola for the bronzing. And for the blush, I am using Dandelion and Corollista. And Rocketuer goes for the highlight. Beautiful subtle highlight. For the lips, I guess almost every time she chooses a nude lip, and the best nude lipstick which I have right now with me is MAC Velvet Teddy, which matches what she has applied in the picture. I guess a hint of pink is needed. Yeah. And I guess I have achieved around 80 to 85% of what she's got. So I'm happy, pretty happy. So this is my final look, you guys. I hope that you like it. If you like, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And this was it, guys. I'll see you in my next one.